you see. Super, it's of course windy, as y'all can probably hear. Oh, here comes the pontoon boat. Here comes the pontoon. Uh-oh. Got my car up there. Uh-oh, here's the waves coming in. From that pontoon boat. Shoot. I kind of want to go fishing now. I honestly kind of want to go fishing. But I don't feel like going home right now and getting my pole. I don't know if y'all can really see that boat, that pontoon way over there. It's beautiful out here. Beautiful out here. Man, this town has been here for a little while. It's been here for a little while. Look at that. Yep. See, this is what I mean about this town. Got the wildlife, as you can see. Calm. Except for lake days. But it's calm. You can get the smell of that fresh air. And you just look out and you can see all the trees and everything. And it's good, and it's a good and a bad thing that when you live in a small town, that is a good thing is, hold on, it's a good thing because you know everybody, but it's also a bad thing because you know everybody, you know? So it's a win-loss situation kind of deal. Win-loss situation? It's a win-loss situation kind of deal. I don't know. But it's a good time. It's a good time. Cars passing by and everything. Yeah. This is everyone's favorite lake here in town. Of course, my water bottle's over there. Yeah, I think the lake is definitely going out or going down more. I don't like it, honestly. I really don't like it. I do like it, but I don't like the lakes going down. Man, hopefully y'all live in a small town and y'all get this kind of feeling. Almost died. I mean, YouTube, I'm okay. I'm fine. Please don't take down this video. I'm good. There's a car coming. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Look at all them shells down there. It's a busy little town. Sorry, my camera's all over the place. I'm not using my tripod right now. Y'all can probably tell. But this little town is the best. See, only if I had my pole. I heard something. Sorry for my little hand. No, I heard something splash way out there. Man, or like my bait would go that far, but you know what I'm saying. Just in case. Just in case, and you'll probably hear the train off in the background. Sorry. Look at this bird. Look at this dude. Oh, I love this Tacoma. Man, this Tacoma, I swear. Okay. Yeah, that pontoon boat just like somewhere over there. Somewhere. I don't know. Here's a nice pontoon boat, honestly. Yeah, people that come down to this lake need to pick up their trash, because, I mean, it looks obviously clean. Oh, okay, never mind. Cleaner than it has. Like, but people need to pick up their trash after they come down to the lake on Sundays, Saturday, Friday, Saturdays. Hold on, if I can talk. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And maybe sometimes Mondays. And there's fish. See that? Oh yeah, they just need to pick up their trash, because there's people that live down here in this town. They kind of, yeah. But we love this lake. So I love this lake a lot. And yes, I know. I do need to get a haircut. I know. For one of y'all say down in the comments. I do need to get a haircut. Of course, this town's so quiet that you can hear. My name's Debbie. I like turtles. No, this town is. I'm sorry. See what I mean? The bird. Jeez. Knew I heard something over there. Jeez. No, but this town's so quiet that I can hear a lawnmower across the lake. Jeez, man, that kind of scared me, honestly. I'm sorry. Yeah, that scared me. But yeah, I can hear a lawnmower across the lake. It's pretty quiet, except for, I mean, besides cars going by. Of course, you can see the water towers. No, not water tower. Them towers. Jeez.